Hey guys, it's Daniella. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a 2-in-1 combination video. I hit my local Dollar Tree, so I'm gonna do a Dollar Tree haul, and then I wanted to show you guys how I'm gonna be using my Dollar Tree items today to get my kitchen island area set up for the Christmas holidays. And before we get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so most of the items that I picked up are Christmas items. I'm pretty sure there's a few miscellaneous items. I mean, you can't really help yourself. You're at the Dollar Tree, you know? I wanted to start with this charging plate. I have never seen this specific charging plate at the Dollar Tree. I picked up 2 of them because I thought they were so pretty. They're like a really good quality, and they're this really pretty holiday metallic red color. They're just so pretty. I'm gonna be hosting a Christmas gathering, so I thought these were perfect. And look how big they are. So nice. I'm pretty sure that these are gonna sell out fast. And next up, I picked up 2 silver charging plates. I do see these every year, and I normally see them in a silver and in a gold color. I also saw them in this red color, but I only picked them up in silver, and I got 2 of them, and these are really pretty and a really nice quality too. So alright, and these are the miscellaneous items that I mentioned. I picked up 2 of these glass bowls, and they come with lids. I always need good Tupperware, and you can't go wrong with glass Tupperware, so yeah, picked those 2 up. I also picked up some measuring spoons. And then I'm going to be doing a DIY soon, and I needed a small spray bottle. So I picked up some little travel bottles. I'm going to be using this in the DIY coming up. It's a small little holiday bouquet, and it comes with a few pine cones and some little red berries. Super pretty. I think that Dollar Tree really did a good job this year with their holiday bouquets and stems. They're really, really pretty. I can't complain. I feel like that's a really pretty bouquet for $1, right? Alright, and then I picked up 2 of these bowls. You can't really see them in the camera, or maybe you kind of can see them in the camera, but they have snowflakes on them. Oh, there you go. They have snowflakes on them, and I thought they were super pretty. And I will be using them in today's video. And then next up, I picked up 2 little small plates. These plates are set with the bowls. I couldn't find the bigger plates, so I just picked up these 2. Right? And then the last thing I picked up was 2 of these little small wreaths, and you can actually place a candle inside of them. They're so pretty. They come with little pine cones and white little berries. I just thought they were so pretty, and they're nicely sized as well. So yeah, that's all I got from the Dollar Tree. They had so many different items to pick from. I would definitely suggest heading over before they start selling out of all the stuff. I feel like all the Christmas stuff goes by so quick. Well, at least all the good Christmas stuff. It goes by really, really fast. I would suggest heading over to Dollar Tree as soon as you can. Alright, you guys, so that's all I picked up at Dollar Tree. Next, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I'm going to be setting up my island. Alright, so first we're going to start off by using some wire cutters. This bouquet that I picked up at Dollar Tree. You're going to need some hot glue. So first I'm going to go ahead and just cut off the stems. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the berry stem and the pine cone stem together. I'm going to get this wire and just wrap it around the stems tightly to secure it. I picked up this wire at Michael's, I think. Once that's nicely secured, you're going to go ahead and grab a ribbon. I just picked up whatever ribbon I had already. I just cut off a piece and folded it in half. And then I'm going to go ahead and just simply wrap it around the stem of my pick here. And this is how it turned out. Alright, so I'm going to start with this mat that I picked up over at Home Goods. It was a set of about 6 of them. Then I'm going to take this Dollar Tree charger plate, and then this plate I picked up at Target for about $2. The Christmas Dollar Tree plate with snowflakes. And then last but not least, I'm going to take my Christmas pick here and add it to my bowl. I want to add more to this area. This is all I found for now. I do plan to spice it up a little bit, so stay tuned for that. Again, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.